Sometimes even I hate coding, just like you. But still, I want myself to continue coding and do not give up. So what do I do in this situation? I take help from AI. Yes. See, at one point no one cares whether you have copied the code or written it yourself. What they see is the usefulness of your creation, creativity and more such things. If people find your website or application unique, creative and user-friendly, no one's going to stop them from using it. They are going to use it anyway. Yes, having knowledge about coding is good. You should know what code you have written and which functionality is handled at which part of the code and how it works. We are living in a time where people care more about the final product and not the steps in between. So you might wonder, why the hell am I making this video about Flutter and asking you to learn it? It is because all we talked about in the earlier part of this video applies if we want to build something of our own, something which other people use. But now imagine a scenario where you want a job as a Flutter developer in some X company. There you will need to have knowledge about Flutter. So it all depends on your path and at which point you are currently standing. If you want to build something of your own, copy pasting some code and changing it according to your idea doesn't sound so bad. Okay, but if you want a job as a developer, copy pasting is surely a bad idea. So yes, this was it from today's video. I hope you found it helpful. See you all in the next one.